Okay, Porsche 911, 1999. These are the factory speakers. This is the factory grill that goes on the dash. If you're a Porsche owner, you probably recognize that. This is what's underneath it. You have this terrible outdated speaker that's pretty beat up, and we wanted to do or replace the speakers. So what we're working with is this kind of mounting bracket, I would say, and it just wasn't quite right to do what we wanted to do. So we designed this to house the new mid and tweet, and it's going to fit up under the grill perfectly, and just how I would imagine they intended it in Germany back in 1999. So looks nice, fits well, speakers will perform well, and it just keeps the integrity of the vehicle, and it's not a surprise mess when you pull it apart. It's just how it should be done. So you have a Porsche and you want to get some new speakers, you're going to have to deal with something like this, and we're here to take care of that for you. And like I said, keep the integrity of the vehicle, make sure they work properly, and just function and last a long time. So Stereo Steve's, give us a call or swing on by. We'd love to help you out and get you some new speakers, because these are terrible. Thanks.